to come 6 6 5 5 6 5 for A, and 1 1 2 2 2 1 on B. So we take the remote control, we take the dice and drop big. Let's see what we have here. 6 5, again big. Let's make another hand big. 6, it's one dice. 5, it's second dice. Let's make it again big to see if it's working or not. 6, it's one dice, and remember, this is glass. You know that nobody play on glass. And 6. And now let's make it small. 2 2 1 1 2 1. 1 and 1. Let's make it again small. 1 and 2. And let's make it again small. 1 and 2. So like you see, it's something very beautiful, very cheap. For 800 euro you have a portable solution to play backgammon.